Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your wish list on Airbnb. Without any further ado, let's get started. Once you have the Airbnb app open on your device, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a navigation bar with several options available. Look for the tab labeled Wish Lists and tap on it. This is where all your saved properties and travel inspiration are stored, making it easy to organize and revisit places you're interested in. After tapping on wish lists, you'll be taken to a screen that displays all the wish lists you've created. This could include lists for different trips, destinations, or themes like beach houses, city apartments, or family-friendly stays. Each wish list acts as a curated collection of properties you've saved, helping you keep track of your favorite finds without having to search for them all over again. Now simply tap on the specific wish list you want to view. For example, if you've created a list called Summer Vacation or Weekend Getaways, just tap on that list to open it. This allows you to quickly access the exact collection of properties you're interested in without scrolling through everything at once. Once you tap on your chosen wish list, the app will display all the properties you've saved within that particular list. You'll be able to see photos, location details, pricing, and ratings for each property, giving you a clear overview of your saved options. This makes it incredibly convenient when you're ready to start planning your next trip or comparing different accommodations side by side. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your wish lists on Airbnb, making it simple to revisit and review all the properties you've been interested in. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.